With Mulehide.com, over 1,200 documents and drawings are at your fingertips. To access the documents and drawings on the site, simply select Search Documents, Products, and Videos from the Resources tab. From there, you can filter your options by using the left-hand menu and clicking on the Documents tab. All you need to do is click on one of the yellow bars to expand your choices. You can select the Preview button to preview the document before downloading. Clicking the PDF button will download the document directly, or you can click the red cart icon to add the items to your document cart. Another way to search for documents on Mulehide.com is to type the item into the search box. Once on the product page, you can scroll down to display the documents that are available. Again, you can download the document directly or add it to your cart to download. Once you have the document cart selected, you can clear all the documents. You can remove individual documents if you change your mind, or you can select the download button to download the items to your computer. Everything on Mulehide.com is at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.